guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today we're testing something a little different. I received this Falscara lash extension kit from Influenster, and today we're going to be testing it out together. Oh, there's a how-to video. I'm probably going to watch that. This is from the brand Kiss. I've never done lash extensions, but as you guys can see, my lashes basically look non-existent on their own. I'm a little nervous, but also excited. So if you guys want to see how this works for a beginner to lash extensions, then just keep watching this video. I could have swore that you're supposed to curl your lashes first, so I'm gonna do that. And my lashes really need curled beforehand because they point basically down. Oh no, now we've got some glitter. So step one is the bond. It says brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. So I'm gonna open the box up. So first is lash bond. It's a full kit. Got your bond, your seal, your tweezers, overnighter, remover, short, medium, and long. And this is metal. Ugh, sorry you had to see my gross nail. Oh, it's black. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be black. Step 2, using the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up the wisp in the middle outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisps underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Okay, so we want to go with a long one first. Y'all, I just straight ripped that out. Okay, I probably want to do one long and two mediums, I think. You guys, these are so stuck on to the tray, they're like ripping off. Like I'm ripping chunks of them off, trying to get them off of this tray. Which, I mean, luckily I got these for free, but if you paid $24, I'd probably not be very happy about all of that. Okay, that's actually so cute. What the heck? I have pretty small eyes, so I think I'm just gonna go with one short one on the edge here. This is way easier than I thought it was gonna be. She said too soon. I may need to add a little bit more bond because I was pretty slow at this. I don't know if that's really something you're supposed to do, but I'm gonna try it. I mean, I'm not the best at this, but I feel like it actually looks pretty good considering like I am not good at this. A little uncomfortable, but that is probably because you guys can see that. These are looking all kinds of crazy. Seal the deal. Dab on a thin coat of seal under the wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisps in place. So we're going to take the seal them in place. I guess. I'm not sure I want to seal them in place because I'm a little confused. Okay, actually though, I feel like that turned out pretty good. We're gonna do the other eye now. Hopefully a little bit better, but like if we're being honest, I can see this eye better. So, I also did this without makeup on because I wasn't sure if you're supposed to wear makeup or not. So I did it without makeup. But that means now I'm gonna have to apply makeup around these little cuties, and I don't know if I wanna do that. I think I just need to like open my eye more. Let me zoom in a bit more. This one got applied weird on the other eye too, so I think it's fine, even though I applied it weird again. Yeah, I just don't really think I have much business doing that. Okay. I'm gonna go do a little bit of makeup just to try to make this look better, because my face looks atrocious right now. I'll be right back. I don't know if I like this. One, I mean, I applied them super weird because it wasn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Two, I have really tiny eyes. So like the max amount of cluster I can fit on my eyes is 3 clusters. So I went long, medium, short. But like, I don't feel like that's enough. I feel like you can't even see them. It just looks like I'm not wearing anything. I don't know, what do you guys think? I tried to do pretty natural makeup too. I did feel weird without a wing, so I did put on a wing, and I feel like I regret the wing now because now it really looks like I'm not wearing mascara. I don't know. This eye is like way worse than this one. This one actually turned out pretty good. I'll try it again because honestly I kind of want to take these off tonight. I'm not even gonna lie. I might see what they look like when I wash my makeup off. Hi, it's Emma of the future, like 10 minutes. So I just remembered that I need to take a shower tonight. So I'm gonna use the overnighter and I'm gonna take a shower later tonight. And I'm gonna check back in with you guys and tell you what happens after a shower. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's like eyeliner. Okay, well hang on. Can't tell if it's like glue or what. We're just gonna put these little things to the test. Then I have to wear them to work tomorrow. Hopefully nobody's questioning me. Okay, so I made it out of the shower and they made it out of the shower. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm kind of feeling myself. It makes me want to do like the eyebrow tint, so that my face can almost like naturally look like I'm wearing makeup. I'll let you guys know if they make it through like sleeping tonight and then work tomorrow. I'll probably check back in after work tomorrow. Okay, I'm home from work and still going strong. So that's pretty cool. I actually, the more I look at them, the more I actually really, really like it. If you guys want to close up. There is, oh yeah, you can see just how like wonky they are because I didn't do a very good job. That's okay. They still look cute. Okay, so the eyelash extensions are still on. It is the next day. So they've been on for 2 days, and I want to remove them because I want to redo them, but I also want to remove them in this video so I can show you guys the removing process, sort of. It says to saturate a cotton pad, but I'm gonna saturate this. I feel like it's not enough remover. And then place it over your eye for 10 seconds. Oh. Oh. One definitely came off. Got him. Okay, that was pretty simple. My eyeballs don't look too damaged. So I'm definitely going to be doing this again because I want to redo them maybe tomorrow. All gone. They did look much more impressive before I did my makeup, I feel like. doing my makeup kind of took away from them. Even though, like, I went pretty simple on the makeup. I mean, it's mostly just, like, some cream products. And it was, like, quick makeup. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. I would consider these beginner friendly because like this eye actually turned out pretty good considering the fact I've never done anything like this. And I feel like if I get one more chance to do it, I could do it a lot better, maybe make them look better. Even if you didn't find this video helpful, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel while you're here. Also, if you have any video ideas for me, please let me know down below because I am getting a little low on ideas and starting my new job. I'm trying to work out my YouTube schedule and I am struggling a little bit with content and when to make content and all of that. So I'd greatly appreciate it if you have any ideas or something you want me to do, let me know. And I will try to keep posting videos every single week and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!